Hello and welcome to my Etsy income report. Now, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jay. This is my Make Money with Jay. I upload videos how to make money with printables over on Etsy. Now, I am in the Christmas brand. I love making Christmas like printables and that. I also make other ones, like here I show you how to make dinosaur ones, where I give you free ones and that. You feel free to come and check them out. I show my Etsy earnings. I'm very transparent and that. But let's get into it, guys. Yeah. So, as you know, I do Christmas printables. It's not Christmas yet. We're in September. But today, so far, I've made £1.20. Nothing breathtaking, is it? Yesterday, I made zero. I only had 73 visits though. In the last 7 days, I've made £10.70. 316 visits, so not bad for Christmas stuff. The last 30 days, £17.20. Yeah. This month so far, £12. Yeah, 54 visits. So it's doing all right, guys. Doing all right. Nothing breathtaking. So this year, January, I've made 195. Yeah. Last year, I made 345. It's when I first started. I started making Christmas printables. But yeah, I started making Christmas printables, and look, it started doing, obviously, got to November and did awesome, guys. Yeah, so all time, overall, I've made £541.49. As you can tell, there's Christmas, December, and then slowly, not many sales and that, not many sales, still getting visits and that, but yeah. So hopefully, it's going to improve. I've got some more printables what I'm going to upload. Get ready for the Q4, quarter 4 if you're new here and that. Yeah, so feel free to follow along, guys. Subscribe to the channel, follow the channel, watch some of these videos. I show you how to make the printables. I show you how you can get them for free. Yeah, all you have to do is edit them a little bit and then you can have them yourself. So I've done all the hard work, guys. I've got different themes, yeah, but a lot of my stuff, like I said, is Christmas related. Yeah, I love Christmas, like printables and that. So feel free to come and check them out, guys. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel. And let us know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see. Are you struggling with anything? Are you trying to make money on Etsy? I also will have a video about my blog post, about my blog income. So if you want to know anything about blogging, I might not be your best bet, but I can try and help. And same with Amazon KDP. I will upload my income report for that. Been a bit quiet on creating the books because I've been concentrating on the website and other things. But if there's any questions, guys, please let me know in the comments. And thanks very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.